All right, as you can see, I got the light on me. It's well before sunrise, and I'm out at Red Rock National Conservation Area today. It's the first time in a while I've really been out to really take pictures and not be in a hurry or in a rush. And it's supposed to, well, it's supposed to snow overnight, but it doesn't look like it did that. But there are a lot of clouds. It's very heavy overcast. So there is some snow on top of the mountains, and there's actually clouds rolling over those mountain peaks. So I'm out here taking some pictures, and let's see what we get. Okay, as you can see, sun's kind of coming out. I mean, it's still not quite at the point where it's going to color. If it's going to, I honestly think it's not going to. The clouds have shifted too much to the east, and I feel like it's just going to cover the sun up. If it does, you know, that would be great. But if it doesn't, it's still really cool. I mean, there are clouds moving over the mountain peaks, and you know, there's just some really, really nice moody shots. Might turn out to be some really great black and whites. All right, so I'm shooting about 2 seconds long because it is very overcast. F13 because I'm trying to get everything in focus without having a focus stack, and at ISO 64, so that way I can leave that shutter open for those 2 seconds, and that way I can still shoot a little bit on the underexposed side, so I can control just a little bit of the highlights that I see off in the distance to the left side of the frame. All right, so I'm really kind of walking right now because a little bit in the distance over here, there's some color. So I'm gonna try to set up for something interesting up here where I'm standing on top of this little bit of this ridge, and see if I can get the entire mountain range, and maybe hopefully the clouds will light up. And just like that, just as fast as it came around, it didn't stick around. And that's kind of how these things go, you know. It's one of the things that a lot of people don't see, at least with my photography. If you've watched the channel before, if you've ever seen any of my pictures, and there's these really beautiful colors in the sky, you know, just let you know that that stuff only happens maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes if you're lucky at the most. You know, once a day. Really lucky if it happens, you know, at sunrise and sunset. But I mean, there's a lot of days you guys don't see where I come out and it doesn't do anything, and I don't get any good pictures sometimes. And that's what it is, you know. That's the work involved in it that you guys don't see. It's all the times that I come out here and I get nothing. And but you know, days like today where you get something really interesting and somewhat spectacular, you know, you know, makes it all those other days that you didn't get anything worth it, you know. And especially nowadays, I don't get as much time to come out as I used to, so I have to maximize the days that I do come out. And you know, I've only been out to take pictures 2-3 times since September, and I've really gotten nothing. So for today to be able to get this, even though maybe it's not my best composition, I like the way it looks. I like the way that the clouds lit up, and you know, I can't wait to share those with you in this video. So I did bring my 200 to 500 lens. I was really kind of hoping to get some close-up shots of the peaks with the clouds rolling over them. There's a couple right now, but I'm not sure if I want to switch that lens yet, because it's such a bigger lens and it's going to require a few minutes to get it all set up and going. And I don't know if I just want to do that just yet. All right, I'm at the car packing up for the day. I actually, hooked up the 200 to 500, shot some of the clouds rolling over the peaks. I like a few of those shots, so I'll post those up as well. And let me know what you think of the video in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See ya.